everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious potato and bacon skillet, and if you're also new here, please consider subscribing. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Over medium-high heat, when your pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna add in the bacon. And then you just want to give it a stir and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's nice and browned. After a good couple of minutes, I'm going to remove the bacons and put them onto a paper-lined plate. In the same pan over medium-high, I'm going to add in some diced potatoes and make sure to reserve at least 1 tablespoon of the bacon dripping just to cook the potatoes in. And then I'm just going to give it a stir and cook this for about 9 to 12 minutes or until it's nice and heated through. And then make sure to stir occasionally. Once the potato is nice and heated through, I'm going to add in the corn. And then just give it a stir to combine. And you want to cook this for about a minute. And then after a minute, I'm going to add in the whole milk, the sour cream, the garlic powder, and some salt and black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a stir. And then just cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add in the cooked bacons. And make sure that you reserve 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just going to give it a stir to combine. Oh boy, don't this looks delicious. And then you just want to taste for seasoning. If you need to add more seasoning, then go ahead and add more seasoning. But for me, this is perfect. And then you just also want to cook this for about another minute. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, you guys, it looks so good. Alright, let's go for this piece. Got some bacon, got some potatoes, some corns. Cheers, you guys. I have some sour cream here. I'm just going to dab some a little bit on top, if it will come out. Okay. Let's taste it with some sour cream. You guys, that was so delicious. The potatoes, the corn, the bacons, everything was perfect. So if you guys like to give this recipe a try, the measurements will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.